So, what should I wear to prom? Oh, that could be pretty.
Good morning, beautiful people. The sun is shining. I'm in a fabulous mood. It really is a hot girl summer. Like, I really just have been feeling on cloud 11 lately. It really is true. You decide to be fabulous and you're fabulous. So, anyways, this video is about something completely else, but here we go. Curtains. So you guys know I love a good DIY, and today I thought it would be funny to go back to some of my roots of making dresses out of, you know, other things that shouldn't really be dresses. So I asked you guys on here what kind of dress you would want to see me make, and a bunch of you guys said curtains. So today we're gonna do just that and really embrace our inner bed head or curtain head. I don't know, doesn't really work, but you get the point. So without further ado and without any more bad puns, here we go. Making a dress out of curtains. Hot girl summer style. If you guys haven't heard of that, Google it. It's fabulously empowering. Alrighty, so my outfit of the day is something I'm pretty sure I've actually worn in quite a few videos, but whatever. We're wearing it again. It's just the same old white tank top, booty shorts, fanny pack, which by the way, I know fanny packs are like hella in style now, but have you guys actually ever used them? They're amazing. Hands-free living is fabulous, just, you know, for the record. So anyways, what else do we got here? Oh yes, these are cool. Very cool, in fact. We stand. White sneakers again, and voila, there we go. Certainly not the most interesting outfit I've ever worn, but I am honestly just really in a mood lately. Like, we're only young and fabulous once, so we might as well just, you know, rock it and be fabulous. So okay, anyways, we are going to head out to Bed Bath & Beyond now and hang out with all the suburban mamas. So we have to get my child, so I blend in.
Hello, child. Hi, sweet man. Are you ready to go to Bed Bath & Beyond? Is it going to be fun? You don't want to go? You ready? Alrighty, let's go. Handsome man, I love you. Okay.
Alrighty, here we go, Jorby.
We're here. We're ready. You ready? Yeah.
Alrighty, so we need to find a curtain, so let's go see where the curtains are. I mean, there's a lot of stuff in here beyond, so there's gotta be at least a curtain.
Doop doop. You love Bed Bath & Beyond. Okay. Curtain. Alrighty, we found it. Which curtains should we pick, honey butt?
There's so many choices. So I want to get a fabric that's kind of like easy to deal with, so I'm thinking like a meshy fabric, perhaps? I don't know. Do I look pretty in curtain? These are not particularly exciting. Oh, birds. No, not for a dress. Oh my god, this looks like tweed. I could make a Chanel-inspired curtain dress. Kind of ugly, kind of ugly, kind of ugly. Look at all of these too. This is crazy. There's so many, Georgie. Oh my god, I didn't even think of using curtain ties. Now that is a good idea. This could be fun. You know what? I actually think this could be super fun. Woo, alrighty, we got the goods.
Let's go.
Alrighty, so we made it back. Ready to see what we got? A very exciting haul. Ta-da! This is all I bought. How on earth am I gonna make a dress out of this? I literally have no idea. So I will find out just as you guys find out. So let's see. On that very inspiring, self-assured note, let's see what I come up with. Alrighty, so what exactly are we going to do with this? I have no idea, aside of obviously have way too much fun with it. Wow, this was like iconic. It was so sparkly and beautiful. Wow, I loved it. Okay, anyways, yeah, so after I had a mini dance party for like 45 minutes all by myself at noon on a Tuesday, I went ahead and busted out the scissors and decided I should actually get to work. So what you can see here is this actually has grommets in it, obviously to like hang on a shower rod like it's meant to be. So you can see I'm gonna go ahead and actually utilize those. So this is actually gonna be kind of easy. We're gonna go ahead and take this and wrap it around because, you know, ooh la la, this is just very glamorous, looking fabulous, darling. Yes, ready for the red carpet. Alrighty. So we're gonna go ahead and take like this ribbon thing that I actually have from another DIY that I did, and I'm going to go ahead and loop it through the grommets just like this. Doop-de-doop-de-doop, so it kind of threads through them. Then you can see when I pull on it, it kind of creates like an elastic waistband effect. And when you put it on around your waist, you can literally tie it around like this. And now it's kind of almost on, sort of, kind of. Cha-cha-cha, charmin', except it's a shower curtain. Okay, Then you can see I'm literally just going to, again, take the scissors and I'm going to trim that nice and, you know, short. I just literally folded it under, used double-sided tape to make it stick, and voila! We have got an alien-esque miniskirt. Kind of cool. Okay, moving along. Next, we're going to go ahead and take the remainder and we're just going to fold it over itself like this until it creates kind of like a long scarf looking thing that we can wrap around our neck like this. Do you see how it's kind of starting to look like a dress? No? Well, you will in a second. So you can see I'm literally just going to wrap that around my neck like this. Again, I'm going to secure that to the skirt. And again, it's really hard to see. I mean, it's not like you guys are going to make this tutorial anyway, so it's fine. But yeah, we're just going to kind of make that be like this. This is a little saucier than I wanted, but you know, oh well. So then I'm just gonna go ahead and take another piece of fabric, do the same thing, wrap that around my waist. Again, I'm gonna secure it in the front so it gives it kind of a little bit of a bandage dress kind of style here. And then you can see when it is all kind of done, laid out on the floor, it looks well, it looks crazy. But you'll see when it's on. Here we go. Drum roll, please. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na.
Oh lordy, are you guys ready for this? Very Area 51 chic. Maybe I'll find myself an alien boyfriend. Anyways, voila, here we go. This is my very noisy, finished shower curtain look. So the top ended up being a lot more risque than I wanted, but you can still see all the wrapped around fabric is literally hilarious, but actually low-key looks kind of artsy. And you'll know exactly when I'm coming because I'm so stinking loud. Hot girl summer in my noisy ass dress. Oh, I look like a crazy iridescent trash bag. Meow, meow, meow. Ah yes, a bathroom selfie in a curtain dress. Now that's an aesthetic. Overall, it's actually kind of a look low-key, especially with the shoes that I have. Oh my god. I had these shoes for a while, but this is just even funnier since it matches literally perfectly. Alien prom, here I come. Or the PTA meeting, you know. Whichever one comes first. Oh my god, darling, who are you wearing? Oh, this old thing, it's Bed Bath & Beyond, sweetie, all the rage. Mew, mew, to infinity and beyond. I'm like E.T. if he was a prostitute. Also, Cardi B. Perfect for my afternoon run to Trader Joe's. Houston, we have a problem. Overall, I would say, for a shower curtain dress, well, we nailed it. Boop, boop. Making a dress out of the shower curtain. I hope you guys liked the silly video. As always, don't forget to subscribe for lots more ridiculous dress creations and of course, whatever other absolute nonsense my channel is turning into these days. So, anyways, on that note, I hope you guys have the most fabulous rest of your day and remember to shine outer space style and always remember that literally anything can be fabulous if you decide that it is. And that includes yourself. You're fabulous, don't forget it. Me and my cheese ballness, but on my always cheesy ending note, till next time, my loves. XO. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Who's the craziest looking person in the world? Me. But not in the outer world. Ooh. I need to stop drinking coffee.